so once you've interviewed and screened and vetted a candidate, you're really going to get into the offer stage. And one of the hands down best things you can do is do a powerful offer phone call. So yes, you can just send an email with an offer letter with terms and agreement, but what's going to be more impactful to that new hire is you actually calling them. And really it's this penultimate climax of the hiring process where you're going to be able to instill a ton of momentum into their onboarding and training and make that person as excited as they possibly can, so that way you retain the hire. And so you want to maximize the moment, right? You want to build them up, make them feel puffed up a little bit, right? Tell them what you think is great about them, and then paint the big picture, paint the big vision. Deliver your offer verbally. You're also probably going to send it in writing. And then once they verbally agree to it, congratulations, right? Welcome them in, and then book them for their first day of onboarding.